I gave you my heart.
Okay, like usual, I don't know how to start my videos. Just gonna say what I always say. I'm Shadow. I'm here with Stormy and Dusty. I said I was gonna be here with Boston, but that no worko. That is a no-go, so I'm here with these two. And we're gonna go mudding and rock crawling. Ow. Okay, are you dumplings ready to follow me? Forward. We're just gonna go through here a few times. Oh, Stormy already went. There's actually something I wanted to do. It's everyone come back to the start. There's a ramp right here.
Oh my god, you guys, really? There's so many seats in this living room.
There's a ramp.
Oh my god, Adam.
What?
Do y'all know how to play it?
Did you just run me over? Okay, everyone see the... Do you guys see the big old thing over here of mud? So Stormy, turn around.
Yeah.
We're gonna go through it.
I've already been through it.
Going through it again. Just gonna... It was actually pretty easy. You just need four-wheel drive and that's it. Tread dust. Is that you? Okay, I'm in first person. Oh, I don't like first person. That's not. Okay, follow me.
Hey, maybe later y'all can have some honey cake.
Yeah.
Show Adam what honey cake is.
Are you guys still following? Wait. Where's the Dusty? Oh, I see her. Wait for her. Would you wait? Oh, and Stormy died. Hold on, Dusty. Stormy died. Oh my! She killed me.
Run over the body.
Well, that's what it's like to die. Okay. Follow me. Don't go fast. Actually, you can go faster here. Make sure you're... Okay, you're both in four-wheel drive. Yep.
Son, get off my ass.
Okay. Now come over here by me. You guys still... Okay, follow... No, go slow. So, in the top left corner, do you guys see where it says high and low?
Yeah.
Go to low. So, low gear is basically for climbing mountains. So, get back. Okay, yeah, just go ahead at it. Rip it. Four-wheel drive. Oh, God. What? Stop. That's it. Jesus. Are you coming, Stormy? Dusty's just ripping through.
Come up here.
Stormy? Oh, crap. Where are you?
I'm up here.
Oh.
Oh.
I'm coming back down to get you. Dusty, wait.
What do you mean? I climbed up the mountain.
Come down here.
Where?
Do you see me? Follow me.
Hold on. Where'd you go?
Huh?
Did you go this way?
Yeah. And climb up here. Wow. Okay, go slow over down here. And you can go back. You guys can go back in high gear because it's nothing really. Wait, I wonder if you guys are even with me. Did I lose you guys?
I'm gonna go this way. I'm on the trail.
Oh God. Oh, who's that? That just passed by me.
That's me. Dusty's stuck.
Okay, Stormy, stay there. Where are you at, Dusty?
On the trail.
What trail? Where?
I don't know about you, but I'm flying down a mountain.
Same. Dusty?
I died. Hold on.
Did we lose you? Stormy, you want to turn around and go get her? Come on. Whee! Oh, I'm not in low. Well, actually, it's okay. Dusty, stop it.
Stuck on the mountain.
Oh, there's mud right here.
I saw it. I'm going towards you.
Let's go through the mud.
That's where I was.
Well, me and Stormy in the mud. Alright, Stormy, pull out right here. Is that you all the way back there, Dusty? Come on, Dusty, you can do it. 4-wheel drive? Yep. I'm sliding. Wait, come up with here. Pretty sure Stormy's already gone. Low. Oh, wow. Come up here, Dusty.
I got stuck. Oh my God. Everyone press the respawn.
Why? Alright, press respawn, Dusty. Okay, are you guys ready to wash off? Alright, follow me. Follow me. Okay, come on, follow me, Scrubs. Go slow, go slow. Slow down, Dusty. Get out of low and you'll go faster. Once you get over here, go slow. No, don't press low to go slow. Just let off your gas. I would now just slowly drop in, Stormy. That was nice and slow, yes. And you can just keep on driving through the water and it washes off your quad. Which were you guys? Because we came over here to cross the river.
What do you mean cross?
We're crossing the river.
Up that?
No, I just decided to rock climb because I need footage. Come on, Dusty. Stormy, come up. Stormy, go up to your right. Climb up that.
What is that?
Okay. Oh, what?
Through the trail.
Like, follow me.
Where are you? Is that you?
Nope. There's one problem with Stormy. You explore more. Who's this?
Climbing up the mountain?
Yeah, go ahead, follow me. Both of you follow me. We're gonna go slow.
I don't know where you are.
We're gonna climb up here.
I don't know where you are.
Oh my
Never mind,
God.
I found you.
Wait for Dusty.
Okay, I died.
Are you climb up right here? And you don't have to do this in low because I'm not doing low and I'm making it up fine. Are you guys ready for the rock climbing part? Now go to low. Are you guys following me? Okay, Stormy's here. Wait for Dusty. Okay. Oh, I died. What happened?
An ad.
Oh, wow. Well, I'll be back once the ad's over. Okay, I'm going back. Stormy, you're just gonna join back? What do you mean I'm not? Jesse, we're gonna do this again. Okay, so it's the end of this video. We're done with all that.
My ear.
She flapped her ear.
I keep dying. Keep bringing stuff.
How? Before the recording goes, I got $11,000 now, and I'm gonna buy a different vehicle, aka bike. I can't get bike. I'm going to get 10,000. There should be a $10,000 truck. No, the $10,000. Okay, we got an $8,000 quad. Oh no. Okay, that's the end of this episode.
What you're giving, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to